Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have another exciting video. We are adding the finishing touches to our Tomei install. As you guys saw in the last video, we installed a brand new catback system on the STI, and now today we're going to finish up that installation by installing the Subispeed block-off plate. As you may know, the Subaru STI as well as the WRX comes with dual exit exhaust. Now, when you switch to a single exit like I have, you need to, or well, you probably should. It looks a little unfinished if you don't, but you should, in my opinion, install the Subispeed block-off plate. Now, you may be able to find this from different vendors. I'm not saying to get Subispeed necessarily. So go ahead, do your research, and find a block-off plate that you like. I've never installed one of these pieces before. It does look fairly simple. You have two installation holes, if you can see them there. One right there and one down here. And then we do have a little tab right here. I'm assuming to drill another hole, but we're gonna go ahead, get the car up in the air, and take a look and see what we need to do. But I went ahead and just stopped at O'Reilly's and picked up some hardware that I think is gonna fit. I did get two bolt lengths because I wasn't sure, you know, the depth of what I'm drilling into on the bumper. So I went ahead and got two different lengths. These should work okay. With that being said, guys, we're gonna go ahead and jump right into today's video. Remember, if you enjoyed today's video, hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and stick around for more. We have a ton of projects in store for the STI and the YFZ. So if you like that content too, I have a ton planned. Make sure you stick around. With that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump into today's video installing the Subispeed block-off plate. Alright, quick update. We do have the Subispeed block-off plate just mocked up on the car right now with some painter's tape. So I'm going to take you in for a closer look. Fitment overall is okay. It's not, there is a little bit of a gap, which you may be able to tell when I show you. But depending on what angle you're looking at the car, you're not going to be able to tell just because of how or where it sits underneath the bumper. But we do have it mocked up, ready to go. I'm going to give you guys a quick look at that, and then we're going to drill some holes, and hopefully we'll be done with this install. It's pretty quick and easy. We have the Subispeed block-off plate just taped up there with some painter's tape, so you can get an idea of how it's going to look. There is a little bit of a gap in there, if you can see. I'm sure you can see that, but you're not going to be able to see that when you're, you know, the car's lowered and you're standing behind it. There's no way you're going to be able to see that. So I'm going to go ahead and continue on with the install. I'm going to mark some holes. It's going to drill into the bumper right under here on each side, and then also there's a tab back here.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me?
And I just wanted to show you exactly where I drilled the holes. And you can see, here's the block-off plate. We had to drill a hole here and a hole right over here. And just threaded some hardware through there. And then you can see at the very top, I mentioned this tab earlier in the video. I thought maybe I had to drill through this tab that's sticking out right here, but actually I think it's really so you can just, I'm going to hold it with my knee, but I'm going to bend it back, and you can see how it just bends over the flap on this bumper that's up here. So other than that, guys, the install is pretty much over with. So that wraps up the installation of the Subispeed exhaust hole cover. It was pretty simple, as you saw, just a couple holes to drill and some bolts to be threaded on, and that's really it. So really easy installation. We like that for sure. I do wish it could fit just a little bit better. There was some fitment, just not really issues, but just didn't fit as snug as I would like it. The car's super dirty. I did pull it out to get some B-roll shots. I also have a new microphone on the GoPro, and I tested just some levels with that. The installation went really well. The product does what it's supposed to do. It covers up that hole with the empty exhaust, where the exhaust outlet used to be. It covers it up. It looks a little bit more complete than what it did before, at least in my opinion. I can't wait till it gets warmer out. We're gonna do a big detail on the STI. But anyways, all right, so that wraps up today's video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Give me a like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you stick around for more. We got a lot of projects in store for the YFZ and the STI, so make sure you stick around. We got a lot planned. With that being said, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.